So here we are, Kevin, in my most favourite part of the world, the west coast of Scotland, but I don't know why we're here. You've organised all this, I'm looking forward to it. We've got the bikes, what are we doing?
Yeah, right, so obviously we've drove the van here. We're going to leave the van here and then we're going to ride these e-bikes 50 kilometres today to a cottage that I've booked.
Okay, cool.
Really beautiful little place tucked away. So we're going to have a stunning ride today. Then we'll stay overnight, some nice breakfast in the morning, charge the bikes overnight, back on the bikes in the morning, and then another 40 kilometres of different route back to the van. And that's it, 80 k's of absolute beautifulness.
Beautiful roads, and one big massive loop on these lovely roads.
Yeah.
Let's get going, I can't wait. So we're not far into our ride, are we?
No.
We've already stopped to take in this view. Look at it, it's just incredible. I think we've gone, what, maybe
3 miles?
3 miles. We've still got a good like 20, 30 miles to go, so yeah, I think we better get back on the road.
Yeah, that's it. So we just came up that hill. That's probably the steepest pass of the ride today.
Yeah?
Pretty easy, wasn't it?
Yeah, I mean, I find it a little bit tough going, but not too bad. I mean, obviously the power of the e-bike made it so much easier.
Yeah, yeah.
But if you think, when we were coming up that hill, I wouldn't tackle that on a normal bike. No way.
I mean, on a road bike, you'd probably do 5 or 6 mile an hour up there, max. And we were doing, what, 13, 14 mile an hour?
Yeah, we're cruising. That's the thing. I mean, we've got a fitness level difference between us.
Yeah.
You know, you're a proper cyclist and I'm just like a recreational, but we just cruised along quite happily between us. Yeah. And, you know, the power of that just mean, what, 12, 13 mile an hour, as you said?
Yeah.
And we were just chatting, enjoying it.
Easy peasy.
Yeah. So, as a famous philosopher once said, what goes up must come down. Yeah. This is my favourite bit of the trip. I'm looking forward to this. Just had a massive climb, but now we start the descent. And we're going off to, I think it's pronounced Kylesku Bridge, but yeah, hope the locals won't hold it against me, but we're going to make off that. That is an epic bridge. Very, very famous on North Coast 500, so that's our next stop.
Sorted for tomorrow. Really felt like I soaked it up yesterday.
Yeah.
I kind of felt like I made the most of it. Whereas sometimes on a road bike, I feel like I'm just more focusing on just kind of my energy levels and stuff like that.
Yeah.
You know, and obviously because they're so easy and comfortable to ride, you're upright and you can just look around. I thought that's great. Right, should we wash up, pack up, and hit the road?
Definitely.
Let's do it.
Let's do it, man.
Yeah. stop here and have a snack with those pies.
That is a good shout. I mean, this morning's been nice so far, hasn't it? Because we're, contrast to yesterday, we're now just meandering through valleys and following the streams and the lochs, which is really nice.
Yeah, there's a bit of a breeze today, keeps it nice and cool.
Yeah.
That's nice, beautiful.
Well, Kev,
Yes, mate.
thank you for inviting me along.
That's
This
okay.
has been an amazing 2 days. Thank you so much. I have loved it. I really have.
Yeah. I've enjoyed your company, and it's just been nice to both of us to ride in this stunning area, you know, and
Yeah.
just cruise around and enjoy the views. Right, well that's it, Chris. All good things must come to an end. Time to hit the road, mate.
Yeah, definitely. And I guess it's up to me to organise the next trip.
Brilliant. I'll take you on it.
Let's go.
Let's go.